Hey there, drone enthusiasts and tech lovers. Are you ready to take your photography and videography skills to the skies? Whether you're an adventurer, a content creator, or just someone looking to explore the world from above, drones are your ticket to stunning visuals and unforgettable moments. In today's video, we'll take you through the best drones of 2025, expertly tested to bring you the ultimate combination of performance, features, and value. From high-end powerhouses to budget-friendly gems, we've got something for everyone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a review. And check the description below for links to all the drones we'll cover. Let's get started. Number 7. DJI Neo Best Drone for Social Media Content Creators. Starting with our most portable option, the DJI Neo is a dream come true for social media creators. Weighing only 135 grams, lighter than most smartphones, this drone is compact enough to slip into a jacket pocket. Despite its tiny size, it doesn't compromise on performance, delivering 4K video at 30 frames per second and boasting a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor for crisp, clear images. With autonomous flight modes, the Neo makes capturing stunning footage a breeze, even without a controller. This makes it perfect for Instagram and TikTok creators who want to elevate their content effortlessly. Starting at just $199, the Neo offers unbeatable value for its features, and its size lets you explore places that larger drones simply can't reach. Number 6. DJI Mini 2 SE Best Cheapest Drone You Should Buy. Next up is the DJI Mini 2 SE, the most affordable drone we recommend without sacrificing quality. Priced for budget-conscious users, this compact drone delivers 2.7K video, 12-megapixel photos, and a stabilized gimbal that smooths out vibrations for flawless footage. With a flight time of 31 minutes and a 10-kilometer transmission range, it's perfect for beginners or casual flyers looking to capture professional-grade content without spending a fortune. While it may be DJI's entry-level option, the Mini 2 SE flies with the same stability and ease you'd expect from its more expensive counterparts, making it a fantastic choice for first-time pilots. Number 5. DJI Mini 3 Best Budget Drone. For those willing to invest a bit more, the DJI Mini 3 is an excellent step-up. This drone captures stunning 4K video and offers a flight time of up to 38 minutes with its intelligent battery. If you opt for the Fly More combo, you'll get extra batteries, a charging hub, a carrying case, and spare propellers, everything you need to keep flying for longer. Users praise the Mini 3 for its ease of use, stability, and image quality, making it a favorite among beginner and intermediate drone enthusiasts. Whether you're exploring breathtaking landscapes or documenting special events, the Mini 3 is ready to deliver. Number 4. DJI Mini 4 Pro Best Drone for Budding Professionals. For aspiring professionals, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a compact powerhouse. With a 1.13-inch wide-angle camera and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, this drone offers advanced features usually found in much larger models. Weighing under 250 grams, the Mini 4 Pro avoids many regulatory headaches in certain regions, giving you the freedom to fly with ease. It's also one of the quietest drones on this list, making it perfect for discreet filming. Users rave about its exceptional image quality and how effortlessly it fits into their travel plans. With a flight time of 34 minutes and 4K video at 100 frames per second, the Mini 4 Pro combines portability with professional-grade performance. Number 3. DJI Avatar 2 FPV Best Flying Action Camera Drone. Get ready for an adrenaline rush with the DJI Avatar 2 FPV, a drone that brings an entirely new perspective to flying. This first-person view drone delivers a high-octane experience, putting you in the pilot's seat with immersive goggles and intuitive controls. Perfect for high-speed adventures, the Avatar 2 shoots 4K video at 60 frames per second and has a flight time of 24 minutes. Its sturdy build and propeller guards make it durable enough for fast-paced flying, while its compact design ensures it's easy to transport. Although it's more suited to action shots than cinematic footage, the Avatar 2 excels at delivering dynamic, heart-pounding visuals. Number 2. DJI Air 3S. Best mid-range drone. For enthusiasts who want a balance between performance and price, the DJI Air 3S is an excellent mid-range choice. This drone features dual cameras with consistent video quality across both, making it easier than ever to stitch footage seamlessly. Advanced features like omnidirectional obstacle sensing and built-in 42GB storage make it incredibly user-friendly, while its LiDAR system ensures safer night flying. With a whopping 45-minute flight time and 20-kilometer transmission range, the Air 3S is perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes or detailed shots of buildings and events. If you're ready to elevate your content without breaking the bank, the Air 3S is the way to go. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Best drone overall. Finally, we arrive at the crown jewel of drones, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This flagship model is designed for professionals who demand the best. Equipped with 3 cameras, including a 1.3-inch CMO or sensor and telephoto lens, the Mavic 3 Pro captures 4K video at 60 frames per second with unparalleled clarity and color depth. Its D-Log-M mode supports up to 1 billion colors, making it perfect for cinematic projects. The drone's advanced safety features, 43-minute flight time, and 15-kilometer transmission range ensure you can fly confidently and capture stunning footage with ease. Users and reviewers alike praise the Mavic 3 Pro for its stability, precision, and ability to deliver jaw-dropping results every time. So, there you have it. The best drones of 2025, carefully tested and selected to suit a variety of needs and budgets. Whether you're a social media creator, an aspiring filmmaker, or someone who just loves to explore, there's a drone on this list for you. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, all the links to these incredible drones are in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our expert reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.